Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of videos related to hauls and related to reviews. Under haul section I have videos for makeup, skincare, hair care, accessories, footwear, clothing items, you name it, and mostly I have it on my channel. And under review section I have reviews for makeup, skincare. Also I do have lot of comparison videos as well as new launches videos, and each and every video is each and every video is given under a different playlist. You can just go to the playlist and you can find lot of comparison videos. So you can say under comparison videos I have all the comparison of different products. Under new launches of playlist you can find all the new launches videos. So each and every video is under different playlist, and if this is what you're looking out for, then definitely please take out a moment and do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notification about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to ask me anything related to any particular topic or in general, definitely you can DM me on Instagram also. The link of the same will also be given in the description box, so you don't forget to check that as well. And now directly we'll dive into the video. From the thumbnail, from the title, you all must have got a little bit of idea. Definitely this is not a new launch product. I am not saying this is pretty recently launched. So maybe you can say 4-5 months old. I'm not sure, so don't call me for that. But definitely for me and for my channel, bronzer topic is little bit new. So what I thought of picking up this product and I thought of reviewing it. Since it is 2-in-1 product, so it will save lot of money of lot of people, and since we are looking out right now for affordable products, then definitely this will be a handy one. Okay, now I am talking about this Purple Power Couple 2-in-1. Okay, it is Purple Power Couple 2-in-1 bronzer. I'm talking about this. The packaging of the bronzer is it comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. It is purple and dark blue. Okay, each and every detail is specified over here. The net content what you get is 9 grams, which is specified over here. Okay, and the ingredients and everything is given. You all can check the ingredients is given, as well as over here they have given you the batch number. Manufactured is August 20. So that is what I said. It is not recently launched, but definitely pretty new launch, and it is best before July 23. So the shelf life of the product is 3 years. All right, and each and every other details are also specified over here. When you take out the product, it comes in this kind of black round, that is circular packaging. Okay, and it is a not exactly glossy, not exactly shiny, but it is normal finish. Okay, and it is a plastic packaging. It says Purple Power Couple 2-in-1 bronzer. That is what is written on the front part. When you flip the packaging, when you turn it back, it says Purple Power Couple 2-in-1 bronzer. Net weight is given 9 grams, as well as the detail what is given over here, it's same is given over here. So if you want to throw away this packaging, definitely you can throw away. The details, the manufacturing and everything is given, so no need to worry. Okay, 9 gram is the product. In this, when you open this packaging, you get a very good quality. I'll just take out everything. You get a very good quality mirror over here. Okay, here there is a mirror, and here it's the two products. One, this is the bronzer, and one, this is the highlighter. Okay, this is the bronzer. The dark one is the bronzer obviously, and the light one is the highlighter. Now in this you do not get any kind of shade. It comes only in one shade, that is this only. It's only come you can say universal shade. Okay, there is no shade for fairer people, for darker or something, nothing, only one shade. Okay, so now what I'll do is, I generally do not bronze my face because I don't feel like doing it, but since today I have purchased it, so I will try to bronze up. If I'm wrong somewhere, don't call me for that. I never claim I'm a pro at makeup or anything. So what I'll do is I'll just take up, and highlighter I never use highlighter also on my face because I don't feel like it is required, right? So what I'll do is, for bronzer I'll use this shade. I'll try to bronze up. Okay, I'll just take it little bit. I'll show you the hand swatch also, but let me try first on my face. See, you all must be aware, bronzers we have to apply in the shape of 3. That is here, then goes here, and then goes here. We are not contouring. Contouring just goes here. But the bronzer what you apply is it goes in 3 straight and the reverse. Okay, so I'll just take little bit. I'm not used to bronzer, so just experimenting. Tell you, this is not matte bronzer. Okay, this is a kind of a little bit like it has a shimmer in that. Not exactly shimmer, but yes, it does have sheen. And now highlighter, I'll be just taking little bit and I'll just apply on the, I'll just use this mirror. So this is the highlighter, and this is in the natural light. I do not use any kind of ring light or anything because because in a normal day-to-day life we use normal light only. We do not travel and all with the ring light. So that is why all the swatches and everything, whatever you see on my face in the natural light is in the natural light. Now what I'll do is I'll just take both the shades and I'll swatch it for you. This is the bronzer and this one is the highlighter. Okay, I'm taking little bit dark, like little bit heavy, so just you can make out on the camera. Otherwise, this one is the bronzer and this one is the highlighter. Okay, I have actually tried to do my level best, but then definitely since I do not use any kind of ring light or anything, it will be really difficult for you to make out. But yeah, I can make out. I have used pretty well and like I can see the difference on my face. But only the con which I felt is it comes only in the universal shade, that is one shade. Also the bronzer has shimmers in it, that is, it is like giving you not exactly shimmer, it is kind of a sheen effect. But if someone like me who doesn't like sheen effect on the face, then definitely this one, like for the bronzer talking about, not for the blushes and all, but for the bronzer, but I generally don't use. But if someone is looking out for the matte bronzer, then definitely this is not for that, because in this there is a sheen and that is for sure. And if you want to see, I can just give you a close look. Okay, you all can see it has a sheen, right? So if you are looking out for matte, then definitely this is not your cup of tea. And over here on the hand swatch also you all can make out. So basically, if you will say ki what is my call on this product, definitely for review purpose I had to, and like if you ask me whether I will apply this or no, I'm not sure, because I don't like sheen in the bronzer. I don't like. Yeah, and yeah, that is it for this video. I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely you can let me know in the comment section, or else you can even like DM me also. I'll give you my reference code also on the screen as well as on the description box. So if you will use my referral link, you will get some discount on your order, like that is, you will get some discount on your order value, right? And the buying link of the same will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. And yeah, that is all for today's video. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. Then please consider, like, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.